Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can enable or disable register or login system for your website in Qixer multi-vendor on-demand service marketplace. So let me show you first how it look like a sign up page. Here it is. When you hover over account, then click on sign up page. Now you can see there is option available for seller, register as a seller or buyer. So suppose you want to disable seller login here. So you want only buyer can register from this page. For that, go to admin panel, go to seller settings, user register settings. Now let's disable seller login. Then click on update. You can set up a custom notice from here for that page. Now check that sign up page again, reload this page. Here you can see seller login is now not available for everyone. You can enable it from admin panel once again from by enable it as on. Similarly, you can disable by registration as well. That's all for this video. See you next one. Thank you so much for watching.